How to use the Wix Editor. Here, what to come in this selection. Open the Wix Editor and short this part of the Wix tutorial. Click on Edit a template. Wix have around 800 templates that can be filtered by category or search. Once you have found a template that fits with your project, all over and click edit. So unlike the Wix Ads editor, the drag and drop Wix editor doesn't use an automated process to create a unique website. You will be using Wix manually to build and customize your site. This means create a headline and body text from scratch, sourcing and uploading image, including hero image, product image and more. Searching the app's marketplace for additional factors not included in the template. When you are ready to start, click on any element to see the editing process assembly from XML. Clicking on an image element gives you the option to change image, add filters, add link, crop image and more. The get an overview of your editing possibility. Click on each of the elements to discover their unique design and layout. Socially, for example, text block have options to suit heading and font size. So effect you have. So thank you everyone.